Welcome to Sumo Handyman Services. My name is Earl, and I'm here to go over the general plumbing services we provide. First on our list is toilets. We repair and replace the following: wax rings, fill valves, water supply valves, water supply lines, or change the toilet out completely. Common issues we see, the toilet rocks back and forth and is not set properly, which can result in a slow leak from the wax ring. Broken fill valves. This is where the toilet is continuously filling with the water because the fill valve is malfunctioning, and so there's a center tube in the middle that is the overflow, and that water just keeps going through there. Next, we see commonly are broken or worn seat covers. The most common upgrades that we install are the soft close toilet seat covers. The second most common request we receive, replace sink fixtures, vanity fixtures, and shower fixtures. We often see this when the unit is no longer working properly or people decide to upgrade their space. Up next, we have P-trap repairs, which is that bend underneath the sink or the vanity. Leaky P-traps can ruin the inside of your cabinets. It's normally a slow drip or leak, which eventually rots out the bottom of the cabinet over time. This occurs under vanities and sinks. Another common repair that falls under plumbing is garbage disposal replacement. At some point, your garbage disposal will reach the end of its life cycle. This can be due to old age or misuse. Something falls down there that wasn't supposed to be down there, you turn it on, it jams, burns the motor out. Either way, you can count on us to replace it. Here are some honorable mentions for plumbing. Outdoor spigot replacement or repair, leaky outdoor spigots, laundry room supply valve replacement, water line replacement or repair for refrigerators and coffee makers, water heater replacement, just depending on the size and where it's located in the home, pipe leaks, also depending on the situation, if it's something that we can do or it should be a plumber handling those things. Now, there are some things that we do not do, such as sewer drain rod cleaning. That's when your main line is clogged up. I would, at that point, contact the plumber to rod that out. Your most common reason for blockages are roots that are near your drain line. Now, sometimes after a sewer backup, there is damage or cleanup necessary, and that is something we can handle for you. So with that said, guys, we just covered our most common plumbing services that we provide. My name is Earl with Sumo Handyman Services, and we'll catch you on the next one.